Ramanujan Playing with Infinity by S. Haridas. Now see the puzzling identities. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. Again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 12. 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 raised to 4 etc. is equal to minus 1. Then 1 plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus etc. is equal to 1 by 120. And 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus etc. is equal to 2. I have not seen Ramanujan's original lost notebooks, but it is from the YouTube. In mathematics, two guys are at large, 0 and infinity. We know their shapes 0 and infinity. If we get one of them, the other can be booked. That is why a little bit of confusion still prevails. We have not fully defined these two or the operations involving these strange characters. We say division by 0 is not defined. Do we know the operations involving infinity? Say infinity minus infinity, or infinity plus infinity, infinity multiplied by infinity, infinity divided by infinity, or a constant into infinity? That is why the results A to F seem to be amazing. For example, take A, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 2. If we add alternate terms together, we get minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 etc. minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 etc. is equal to 1 by 2. Now taking 2 as common factor, we have 2 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 2. Now 2 can be taken to the right hand side, then we get minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, we can prove 1 by 6 or 1 by 8 etc. like this. Now consider B. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. Taking two terms together and adding, we get minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. Adding two terms together, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. Taking 2 as common factor, 2 into minus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. Now 2 can be taken to the right hand side, then we get minus 1 etc. is equal to 1 by 8. That is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 can also be proved as 1 by 8. Now take the case C. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 12. This can also be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 12. Now adding two terms together, we get 2 plus 2 plus 2 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 12. Taking 2 as common factor, 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 12. Now taking 2 to the right hand side, 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 24, or 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 etc. is equal to minus 1 by 24. That means these are not consistent results. Now see the proof given for C. C is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 etc. Now multiplying both sides by 4, 4C is equal to 1 into 4, 4 is placed below 2, and 1 into 4 into 2 is 8, that is placed below 4, etc. Now subtracting C minus 4C is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 etc. That is minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 etc. Minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. C is equal to minus 1 by 12. Here infinity minus infinity is considered as a simple fraction, but we do not know what infinity minus infinity is. There is another seemingly innocent proof. 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 etc. is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x raised to 4 etc. is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to minus 1, we get 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 etc. is equal to 1 by 4. This result is derived from infinity minus infinity. Same is the case with other results. But identity f is a convergent series, and taking partial sums we can easily show that it approaches 2. Of course, in string theory, the learned scientists are said to use this result sigma n is equal to minus 1 by 12. Yes, they are also dealing with infinity, but the result need not be consistent. It can be sigma n is equal to 1 by 10 raised to minus 12 also. This possibility has been explained in Vedanta philosophy. Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan, meaning subtler than subtle is similar to bigger than big. About infinity, there is a parallel in Vedic literature. I dare not compare this, but a simple similarity is explained. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. I am afraid this can ever be translated, but for curious viewers it can be like this. This is perfect. That is perfect. Perfect evolves from perfect. Take out perfect from perfect, leaves perfect itself. It is all about the creation, srishti, of the universe. A simple example may illustrate it. A lighted burning lamp is there. We can light another lamp from this. Now both are perfectly okay. We go on lighting new lamps from the original lamp. Still, the first one is perfect. Note the word perfect. It is not same as infinity. Strange enough to say, there is a word for infinity in Sanskrit, anantam. But they did not use this word in the above verse. Probably They very well knew the implications. We cannot take out infinity from infinity. See the example of Dushasana at the time of Panchali Vastrakshepa's stripping. He could not finish the job. According to Vedanta, at specific intervals, creation, srishti, and involution, samharanam, takes place. But if the creation is infinite, it cannot be fully taken back. So let us wait for a branch of mathematics, infinitology.